Alright, here's the method I use to clear the DTF clogs inside the printhead. First, I start by doing a nozzle check to verify, okay, are there any clogs? And so right now, both of my whites are clogged. Now that I verified it, I'm going to get a paper towel. I'm going to fold that paper towel in 3 folds and flatten it so that way it can fit inside the printer underneath the printhead. Next, what I'll do is unlock the printhead by opening the gray hatch, closing it. When I close it, the printhead will move and I'll unplug the printer. That will make the printhead unlockable, so I'm able to move it back and forth freely. Next, I'll place the paper towel that I folded inside the printer, making sure it's flat. Then I'll grab about 6 to 10 ml of cleaning solution with a syringe, and I'm gonna put that on the right hand side of the paper towel. I don't want to wet the entire paper towel, I just want to wet the part that the printhead is going to be sitting on top of. And once I do that, then I'm going to move the printhead over onto the paper towel. And I'll move the paper towel back over closer to the capping station. I want to keep it away from the left-hand side as much as possible. And from there, I'm just going to let it sit. In the meantime, what I usually do is just wipe down other parts like the capping station and the wiper blade.
All right, so we're going to check it.
So after about 20 minutes, this is what it will look like.
Colors back.
You'll start to see the colors seep over. And what I'm looking for is all the colors to return. This one doesn't have all the colors. It's still missing the white. So I'm going to repeat the process until I get this, where I can see the white ink clearly. I can see the cyan, I can see the magenta, I can see the yellow, I can see the black. That's what you're looking for. Once you see that, you'll get one more paper towel. And just a little bit of solution. I'm only using about maybe 4 ml, not a ton.
Not that much. Just about.
And I'm gonna wet the entire paper towel. Then I'll move the print head back over onto the paper towel. And from here, what I'm gonna do is just shoe shine back and forth to remove any ink residue that may be left over from the unclogging or any built up ink that may be there from previous print jobs. And I'm going to use the same paper towel. I'm just going to flip it this time so it's on the dry side. And I'm going to go back underneath and just try to dry anything that may be still wet. And I'll also dry the sides of the print head carriage. Next, I'll move the print head back over to the capping station, plug it in, turn it on. It will go through its usual startup process from being turned off. And I'm going to load in some color cardstock so that way when I run the nozzle check, I can see the colors clearly on the paper. And so you can dismiss those messages and just go into the maintenance menu. And now I'm going to run a printhead clean. The printhead clean will now push out that now loosened ink that we just unclogged. And there you go. That should be how your nozzle check looks. All the lines should be present. If it's still not present, you can run one more printhead clean to see if it will push out the remaining dried ink. If that doesn't work, then what I suggest is repeating the same process of letting it sit on the paper towel. And I normally just repeat that process until I get those colors. Normally when you see the white on the paper towel like that, you should be good to go though.